Today we are going to study about the group 1 elements. They are S block. Elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. These are belongs to group 1 elements. They are called S block. And their atomic number, lithium atomic number 3. For sodium it's 11. For potassium it's 19. For rubidium it's 37. For cesium it's 55. For francium it's 87. You can remember by using this trick. For lithium it is 3 atomic number, so you can add 8, so you will get 11. Next you can add 8, so you will get 19, then 18 you will get 37, then add 18 you will get 55, then add 32 you can get 87. You can use this trick for remaining group elements also. 8 8 18 18 32. Don't forget this trick. This is applied to all the group elements. You can add like this: first element, then add 8, then add 8, then 18 18 32. Let's have a look on the configuration, electronic configuration of group 1 elements. Before that we have to see the core formula. NS1 for group 1 elements. For lithium it's 2s1. For sodium it's 3s1. For potassium it is 4s1. For rubidium it's 5s1. For cesium it's 6s1. For francium it is 7s1. This is outer shell electronic configuration. You can see this inert gas core means noble gas configuration. This is for lithium, this is for sodium, this is for potassium, this is for rubidium and this is for cesium. This is noble gas configuration. We are going to study about the group 2 elements. They are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Its atomic number is 4, 12, 20, 38, 56 and 88. If you feel hard to remember this atomic number, just use this trick. 4, then add 8 you will get 12, then add 8 you will get 20, then add 18 you will get 38, then 18 you will get 56, 88. Let's have a look on the electronic configuration of group 2 elements. Before that we have to see the core formula in S2. This is for group 2 elements. This is for beryllium, 2s2. For magnesium it is 3s2. For calcium it is 4s2. For strontium 5s2. For barium it is 6s2. For radium it is 7s1. 7s2, sorry. This is inert core means noble gas configuration. This for beryllium, for magnesium, for calcium, for strontium, for barium, for radium. Noble gas configuration.